Hello guys, I ordered this from TEMU. It's to hold my mobile phone in the car for very cheap money. But when I received it, it was broken. Yeah, and they said they have sent me back money. I hope. But yeah, and also this. But fortunately, I had this one I bought when I was in LA. I think I bought it in a China shop. Yeah, as you can see. But instead of getting set, I can put this in here and then put this here, and I will set it in my car and have my mobile phone on the car. I think it's gonna work. Have a nice day. Bye bye.